Nito lamang weekend, naglabas ng pahayag si Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin kung saan pinuna ang ilang mambabata sa House of Representatives na tila sinisisi pa ang executive branch sa issue ng budget process sa gitna ng usapin sa flood control projects. Sa huling bahagi ng pahayag ni E.S. Bersamin, sinabi pa niya na clean your house first. Paglilinaw ng Executive Secretary, ang inilabas na pahayag ay mula sa binuong konsensus ng mga miyembro ng gabinete at walang layon na lumikha ng gulo.
Those statements that were issued by that single member of the House does not, of course, we are not comfortable with it because the executive is put in a bad light. So we had this consensus to come up with a unified statement. We did not provoke anybody.
Giit ni E.S. Bersamin, hindi na dapat ibalik pa sa sangay ng ehekutibo ang 2026 National Expenditure Program. Taliwasan niya sa pinapalutang na ideya ng ilang kongresista.
And we just confronted that matter of a threat from one of the members of the House of Representatives to send back the NEP to the executive. Now, that has never happened because once we submitted the NEP, the executive has submitted the NEP, it's all now left to the processing by the House of Representatives.
Ayon kay E.S. Bersamin, kung may nakita mang questionable sa mga ipinapanukalang budget ng ilang ahensya, dapat na lamang itong pagpaliwanagin sa budget deliberations.
If you say merely red flags, it's okay. Because all you need to do, the Congress, is to call the relevant department in the executive branch and have them explain these discrepancies or these weaknesses.
Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue, Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.